to the people in the low density areas, including those that are in the CBD. But this beautiful facility has just been abandoned. There's no maintenance. It's continuing to hemorrhage and to run down. We don't expect this from a place that we call a city. And we want to urge the local city administration of Kadoma, together with the political leadership, to make sure that they attend to these issues as a matter of urgency. Thank you.
This is actually a scandal, and that it is very important for our local authorities to make sure that their existence is there for the people. And for instance, this pool here has been servicing more than 50,000 people, and it is the people who are supposed to be benefiting from this pool. Yes, we have got a council, we have got councillors there. I think for now we are going to be working together to make sure that these facilities come back to their original state.